Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for an Uber account. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and download this Uber One application. Then open it up and then simply tap on this continue at the bottom. Next, type in your phone number or tap continue, or you can continue with your Google account as well. So just enter your Google account and then your password, and then you will receive a confirmation code. Just confirm your code and then tap next at the bottom. Enter your name, enter your first and last name and then tap on next. Now tap the checkbox to agree Uber's terms and conditions and then tap on this I understand. You need to provide your payment information through a credit or credit card or a PayPal account. If you like to skip this, you can skip as well. But payment information must be added to your account before you will be able to request a ride or order food deliveries. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.